This is Hamza Andreas Tzotzis, and this is my story. Frustrated, I crushed the teacup with my hand. The blood did not wash away the anger. How should I respond to the overwhelming hate on social media? What made it worse, the hatred was aimed at those I loved the most, Allah and His Messenger. Now content, I'm really happy those days are over. The hatred hasn't stopped, but I've learned to show love to those who hate. This profound change within myself could have only been possible with the help and guidance of Allah. Indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is in themselves. So, how can we show love to those that hate? We can turn haters into friends by repelling anything with something more virtuous and beautiful. Repel evil by that deed which is better, and thereupon the one whom between you and him is enmity will become as though he was a devoted friend. And always reply with words of peace. And the servants of the Most Merciful are those who walk upon the earth easily, and when the ignorant address them harshly, they say words of peace. Don't be blinded by hatred. The animosity may be a sign that we've done something wrong. Don't let hatred make you swerve from being fair to yourself and others. You may learn something from those who hate you. And do not let the hatred of a people prevent you from being just. Sympathize. Know that their hate is a symptom of a cause. Do not treat the symptom. Try to understand why they hate. Maybe it's ignorance, negative experiences, ego, and following their ephemeral desires. It is they that need the help, and you should be the one to elevate. Invite to the way of your Lord with wisdom and good instruction. You should love goodness and guidance for all humanity. Plant seeds in their hearts and minds with the hope that Allah will make them grow into the fruits of Iman. Remember what our beloved Prophet ﷺ said, love for humanity what you love for yourself. Don't give up on using these timeless principles. Remember, the reward for goodness is good itself. Is the reward for good anything but good?